Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your English teacher Bianca. We're going to talk about common mistakes in English. Well, if I want to tell you something, guys, while we're learning English, it's quite natural to make mistakes. So common mistakes are natural. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, but it's important to be aware of those mistakes. So I'm going to tell you the wrong sentence and then we will see what the problem is in each sentence. Let's get started. I enjoy to playing tennis. What's wrong here? I enjoy to playing tennis. Well, of course I should say I enjoy playing tennis. You enjoy doing something. For example, I enjoy teaching English here. So this enjoy to doing something. ing is an extra word, it's unnecessary word. What about this one? She told to me a story. She told to me a story. Is this right? Of course no. What should I say? She told me a story. So you tell somebody something. You tell somebody something. For example, I want to tell you a story. In different tenses, right? So I told her, I don't know, my problem. What about this one? Let's visit the California. Is this true? I should say, let's visit California. So you visit a place, you visit a country, you visit a city. So you visit California. What is the unnecessary word? The. I really like pizza very much. So guys, you really like something and you use very much. Why to, like, there is one unnecessary word here. So you can say, I really like pizza. I really like something. Or you can say, I like pizza a lot. I like something. So you like something. So for example, I really like English. I like English. I like English a lot, for example. He married with a doctor. He married with a doctor. Is it correct? We can say he married a doctor. We don't need to use with. He married with a doctor. No need to use that. Marry is direct. We do not need to use with. So we should say you marry somebody. Well guys, I hope you find these common mistakes really useful. So of course we're gonna have more videos on common mistakes. Just if you like our videos, you can follow, you can subscribe to our channel and send our videos to your friends. See you next time.